Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new Plants vs. Brain Rot update. So, you'll need to open up the portal to the central island. If you haven't done that, it's, you need 1 million to open it up. So, this is the hit list. You'll need to defeat Brain Rot to get these prizes. As you can see, my target is, I'm not even going to say that, Padapim. Oh, I've hit that target, so I'm just going to claim. And as you can see, I got some money and a banana gun. The next one is Cappuccino Assassino, and then I'll get the next reward. There's also some daily rewards where you just need to submit your, like, the brain rots that is needed. So right now, it needs Slovino Bombardino. What even? Okay. Place brain rot. And then one of it is complete. And then next, do I have Gangster for Terror? No. What about that? I don't also have that. Okay, I have this. So I'm just going to submit this. And then I have money, and then I'll just need Gangster for Terra and Bombini Gusini. Let's go to the index and see. Oh, well, I can't really tell from here. But you'll need these items. And then you can get the grand prize, which is the shiny base card pack. There's also this where you can merge your brain rot and your plants. Can I? Oh, do I have to do my plant first? Oh, okay. I need to rebirth first. I just started this game today, so I can't. But there's also a card merger. And yeah, that is the new update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.